What is up, everybody? All right, it is early. It is the morning of the drift event. We are all loaded up, ready to go. I'm excited, except for the fact that last night the BMW had water mixed in the oil. So we did an emergency oil change. We're gonna send it. We're gonna see what it does. I guess this engine is pretty much on its last leg. So all I gotta say today is, will the German engineering hold together and give me one more drift day, or will she fail? Who knows? I'm really hoping it holds together. I really want to slay these tires today and come home exhausted, but I have had a blast. So I am bringing with me tons of tires. We got 8 tires. Got an engine for my buddy. Got the car. Wife's riding shotgun as usual. And we're gonna see what Old Faithful can do. We got the truck. OG, not let me down yet. Gonna get us to another drift event. We got the BMW. Survived 2 days at No Star Bash. Will it survive a third at MIDvale? Who knows? But we're gonna find out today, and so will you. So we're gonna hit the road. We gotta make a few pit stops, get some gas, on our way to MIDvale Raceway to go drifting. Super excited. Stay tuned for some drift footage, because we're gonna get the cameras on today and we're gonna send it and have some fun and slide around. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, everybody, so tech inspection's all done, driver meeting's all done. We're getting on track right now. I'm super excited to be here. Didn't really film much other than the intro, but I'm finally awake, excited, stoked to get out and drift, to see how the BMW's gonna do. I'm gonna do a couple warm-up laps, see how the car feels, see if I can't, get some heat in these tires, because I wanna get them heat cycled because they're new and everything, and then I'm gonna get all the cameras hooked up and try to get some cool drift footage, so stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've been out there drifting, having a little bit of difficulties and some challenges with the gearing. Some places I'm a little bit out of second gear, can't use third, so I'm trying to figure it out. Banging rev limiter, no e-brake, of course, you know me, whatever. Took the car out to do a couple laps on a couple tires so I could heat cycle them because they're new. And now I was gonna get some footage. On the last run, I heard a weird noise, kind of felt weird. I pulled off, everything looks okay, but we're gonna head out. We're gonna see if the car drifts all right. I'm gonna give my wife the camera. She's gonna try to get some exterior footage. Nothing's gonna be spectacular, but maybe it'll look kind of cool. Who knows? But yeah, so stay tuned to that. We're gonna head back out and try to get some footage. we're about halfway through the day, and I'll say the car's still going. I'm really surprised. It's doing really well. I'm still struggling to drive it to its, I don't know, to drive it well. I'm having some binding issues in the front. Gonna have to try a smaller tire. I'm rubbing too much and it's really causing some issues. Also, not having handbrake on this track is kind of hard because some of the turns are kind of fast, or I'm at the top of the gear and I actually have no more gear to lock up the wheels or spin them, and I can't go up a gear because then I have no power. So I kind of would love to have an e-brake. So we're struggling with that a little bit, but you know, hey, we're having a blast, we're drifting, we're having a great day, so that's all that matters. So let's go get some footage. everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I probably haven't been talking much. I've been driving. I am sorry. But there's probably a decent amount of driving clips, which means that I've been driving. And that's a good thing because the BMW survived. So, hopefully you're excited. I'm excited that the BMW lives to drift another day. Now, I will say it did struggle to pull on the trailer a little bit. Don't know if it's just, you know, needs another oil change or not. But hey, it made it through the day. We got a lot of driving in, a lot of seat time. Got to do some tandems. Hopefully the footage all comes out well. So, you know, we'll see how it goes in editing and everything. I'm really excited to see how some of the clips come out. I tried some camera angles with GoPro on my helmet. I've never done that before, so I really hope the angle came out right. Either way, MIDvale is a very fun track. I really wish I had an e-brake. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed driving and making the video. And yeah, just like, share, subscribe to the video. Stay tuned to more content. We're moving forward with the 1J, swapping the S13, and you know, who else knows what we could get into. But I will see you on the next one.